front of me is Black Shark 5, and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply Animated Live Wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin with opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar right away. Now type in Magic Fluids and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, click on Open. In order to continue, you need to select those three dots at the bottom right corner and click on Settings at the top. Now choose I accept in this pop-up. From here you can adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. Then click on the top right corner and the bottom one again. Lastly, choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and tap on one of those options, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I want to go with both, so I will go with that one, and now when I swipe up and choose Home button, as you can see, wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!